Hello children, this is our class 3rd. Myself Meshram Sir, Kalpataru Vidya Mandir Sindevahi. Subject English. Today's our poem is Robin. Today we are going to learn about the poem Robin. Firstly, I here read the poem. Look at the picture of the poem. Put your fingers on the words. Robin sang sweetly when the days were bright. Thanks, thanks for summer. He sang with all his might. Now next stanza. Robin sang sweetly in the autumn days. There are fruits for everyone. Let all give praise. In the cold and wintry weather, still hear his song. Somebody must sing, said Robin, or winter will seem long. When the spring came back again, he sang, I told you so. Keep on singing through the winter, it will always go. This is our poem, and in this poem mention one bird, that is a robin. Robin is the name of a bird. Now look at the first stanza of the poem. Robin sang sweetly when the days were bright. Means here Robin bird sing a song. Robin bird sing a song in a bright days. Means in a bright days means this is the time of summer. This is the time of summer season, and that time in a bright days Robin sing a song very powerfully, very mightily. Who sing a song? Robin sing a song very mightily. This is the first stanza of the poem. Robin sing a song very sweetly in the bright days. Means when the days summer, means in the summer time Robin sing a song very sweetly and very powerfully. Now next stanza. Robin sang sweetly. Again next season there is describe autumn. In the next season, next stanza of the poem, there describe the autumn season, and in the autumn season Robin is saying there are a lot of fruits for everyone. Robin bird is saying there are a lot of fruits in the autumn days, and so we must give praise. Means we must thankful for the autumn days. Robin is saying us in autumn days there are a lot of fruits for everyone, so we must give thanks to the autumn days. Now next stanza. In the cold and wintry weather. Cold and wintry weather, when we feel cold in the winter season, means in this stanza there is mentioned a winter season, and Robin is saying in the cold and wintry weather Robin singing a song. Means in this season also Robin is singing a song, and Robin is saying somebody must sing. Means someone must sing a song. Means someone must sing a song. If you don't sing, the season will very long. So you have to welcome this season, winter season, with a singing. Means when the winter season starts, that time you have to welcome this season. Here Robin bird is saying you have to welcome this season, and you will enjoy this season, and it will very short for you. So you have to sing a song in a winter season. Now the last stanza, there is describe a spring season. In the spring season also Robin sing a song. In a spring season also Robin sing a song, and in a spring season Robin is saying us keep on singing through the winter. He is saying I told you in the winter season, I told you in the winter season keep on singing through the winter. Means when you sing a song in winter, that time the long season, means winter is a long season, it will easily go. In the last stanza, the robin bird is saying, I told you in the winter season you have to sing a song, and when you sing a song, that time it will always go, means it will easily go. These are the 4 stanza of this poem. In the first stanza there is described the summer season. In the second stanza there is described autumn season, and third stanza there is described winter season, and lastly the robin bird meets in spring. And all the 4 stanzas, robin is saying sing a song. Robin bird is saying us you have to sing a song, and robin bird also sing a song in all season. This is our poem Robin Bird. Now there are some meanings of the word autumn. Autumn is a name of a season. Autumn is a name of a season. Again there is word might. Might means strength, power. Might means strength and power. Now there is again word praise. Praise means thanks. His robin bird said praise means you have to thanks. Now wintry. Wintry means cold. Wintry means cold. These are the synonyms or words meaning. Now there are some words that have opposite meaning. The words everyone. The words, look at the word everyone opposite no one. Everyone opposite no one. Now always, there is the word always. Always opposite never. Always opposite never. Now again there is word sweet. Opposite of sweet is bitter. Opposite of sweet is bitter. Now these are the opposite words, and some question answers are there. What are the 4 seasons? What are the 4 seasons? There are 4 seasons. Winter, now summer, now autumn and spring. Means sequence wise, when you say spring season, after that summer season, after that autumn season, and lastly winter season. Means there are 4 seasons. In this poem there are mentioned 4 seasons. What does robin sing with all his might? When does robin sing with all his might? Robin sing all his might in summer days. Robin sing with all his might in summer days. Now next question is, what does robin say about autumn? What does robin say about autumn? Robin says that there are fruits for everyone. Robin says that there are fruits for everyone. Now other questions, means remaining questions, we will see next video. Thank you.